everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and tonight I wanted to do a quick rice update. So I've got 3 different varieties of rice growing in 3 different types of pots in 3 different locations. Right here we have the Rex rice, which is the seed packets that I've been selling. And these are in the smallest containers with no drainage holes, filled with soil cube, seeded just over 2 weeks ago. And you can see they're doing really well. I've moved them out into more sun. I had them originally back here and that wasn't getting quite enough sun. So for rice, wet and sunny are the 2 really critical components. I'm super pleased with how these both look. Let me show you a close-up. So I think the one on the right is actually what I seeded at the Pitt County Community College Garden Fair. I did this as a demo. And so that was planted several days before this one, which I did for a YouTube video. Nevertheless, they're both growing well. You can see the difference in growth rate, I'm actually pretty amazed with, but I feel certain that they'll eventually catch up with one another. But full sun, easy access to water, pot with no drainage holes. That's what I recommend for growing rice. Okay, here on the back patio, I have Black Madres, which is seed from me, and I've got this pot from my friend Dewey. And well, let me show you what the story is with this pot. As you can see from the original sowing, which was thorough, only a few actually germinated. And well, that's not interesting. So I seeded more. Again, I just sort of filled in the gaps and then agitated it. It's really wet. This is fully saturated. This pot being here, scan back, gets rain. And I also water with a hose, but this actually gets rain. Whereas these pots don't get rain, so I have to water them more often. Now this is the Black Madres, and the germination is more like what I expect it should be. So I'm disappointed with the one from Dewey, but hopefully more seed will fill in the gaps. These are holding water, as you can see. And at this stage, you might start getting worried about mosquitoes, which is totally fair. I actually see some mosquito larvae in there. Now is the time to add BT dunks. What are mosquito bites? Well, this is the thing I use, and I literally am just sprinkling some into the pots. It's a biological control for mosquito larvae. And it's really the easiest way to control, making it so that you don't have adult mosquitoes biting you everywhere. So whenever you have anything that holds water, this is a good idea. And, especially these pots of rice that are in pots with no drainage holes, these mosquito bites are a really, really good thing that doesn't get absorbed. It's not a pesticide and it does not get absorbed by the plant, so it's totally safe to apply. Well, I hope you'll be inspired to grow some rice. Be sure to check out my playlist, How to Grow Rice, that covers all the details. And be sure to, to watch all the different videos to show you the process. But recognize that you're going to sow the seeds, and about 2 weeks later, this is what you can expect. So, hope your rice growing experience is as much fun as mine is. And be sure to tune in for regular updates right here on the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.